Good morning, Group 4 Entrepreneurship Development presentation on Chapter 5. Our topic is Commercial Bank, definition of commercial bank, significance of commercial banks, Karnataka State Small Industries Development Corporation KSSIDC. Introduction of commercial banks. A commercial bank is a profit seeking business firm dealing in money and credit. A commercial bank is a profit seeking business firm and it is the financial institution dealing in money in sense that it accepts deposit of money from the public to keep them in its custody for safety. It deals with credit also. It creates credit facility by making advances out of the fund received as deposits to needy people. Second point, it functions as mobilizer of saving in the economy. Commercial bank also functions as mobilizers of saving in the economy. Third point, it is like a reservoir. Reservoir means it collects the savings of surpluses money of household and from which loans are given on interest to businessmen and other who need them for investment or productive uses. Fourth point, commercial banks perform diverse types of function. Commercial bank performs diverse types of function. Diverse types of function are like agriculture, industry, trade, communication, etc. That they play a very significant role in the process of economic and social needs.
Commercial banks refers to bank that lends money and provides transactional savings and money market accounts and that accept time deposit. Commercial bank is a financial institution which lends money, which gives us money and provides service of transaction of savings and money market. A commercial bank is a type of financial institution and intermediary. It acts as an intermediary between us and the banker. Commercial banks engage for providing documentary and standby letter of credit guarantee performs bonds, securities, underwriting commitments and other forms of balance sheet exposure. Commercial bank also provides documentary and standby letter of credit. Letter of credit means letter of undertaking activities where the trade happens internationally and the payment will be in the future. The trade will happen internationally and the payment it might be in the future. Apart from all these, commercial banks also provides performance in bonds, securities, underwriting and other forms of balance sheet. History of commercial banks in India. The first entire the first entire Indian joint stock bank was the Oudh Commercial Bank established in 1881 in Farhabad in and it failed in 1958. The next was the Punjab National Bank established in Lahore in 1894 which which has survived to the present and is now one of the largest bank in India.
Definition of commercial bank. According to Crowther, a commercial bank is an institution which collects money who those have it to spare or saving it out of income and lends money out to those who require it. It means a commercial bank is a financial institution that provides deposits, checking and saving accounts. Checking accounts is nothing but is the same as current account. Or a commercial bank is a type of bank that provides service such as accepting deposits, making business loans, and offering basic investment products that are operated as a business for profit. A commercial bank serves individual organization and business, and it accepts deposits and issues loan, and it actually makes money by taking short-term deposits and turning those funds into bigger long-term maturity. This is the definition about commercial bank.
Significance of commercial bank. First one, capital formation. Commercial bank promote savings. Customers deposit their savings in bank and bank provide interest on them. It helps to formation of capital and these funds are utilized by bank in various forms. For example, loans. Innovation. Bank enables enterprises to innovate and invest in new startup. It uplifts economic activity. Third one, monetary policy. Commercial bank helps to maintain well-developed banking system at the time of inflation and deflation. By having control on them, it promote economic development. Fourth one, credit creation. It means bank keeps a certain part of its deposits as a minimum reserve to meet the demands of its depositors Bank lends loan to the borrowers. Fifth one, it promotes balanced regional development. Commercial bank provide credit facility to rural people by opening branches in backward areas. The funds collected in developed regions may be channelized for investment in underdeveloped regions of the country. Sixth one, it helps in promoting large scale product and growth of priority sectors such as agricultural, small scale industry, retail, trade and export. Priority sector lending is a scheme guided by government of RBI to commercial bank about obligatory development of credit to desired sectors of economy.
Point, encouragement of trade and industry. Commercial banks have always played an important position in the country's economy. They play a desired role in the development of the industry and the trade. They are acting not only as the wealth of the country, but also as resource of the country, which are necessary for the economic help of the nation. 8 point, promotion of habit of theft. Commercial banks promote savings by providing a wide range of deposits with varying combination of liquidity and rates of interest to interest the needs and prefers of different savers in it has been found that with the growth it has been found with the growth of commercial banking is unbanked and underbanked ranges. The overhead savings also help in the saving with the savings in the growth of urban regions. Volume of production. A commercial bank is a financial institution which performs the function of the entire loan amount is paid lump by creating it to the loan account of the commercial bank. They constitute several credit centers of production also in the creation of credit, which leads to an increase in production, employee and consumer. Employment generation. Commercial bank and more specific public sectors banks are playing an important role in employment generation. In the countries, government of India has been implementing some of its important policies for employment generation both in rural and urban population with the help of the banks. Finance to government. Finance to government is government is acting as the promoter of industries in underdeveloped countries for which finance is needed for its bank provide long term credit to the government by investing their funds in government securities and short term finance by purchasing treasurer bills.
KSSIDC, Karnataka State Small Industry Development Corporation. Introduction. KSSIDC was established on 29th April 1960. It was been first launched on 29th April 1960. The registered office of the company started functioning at Bangalore in the state of Karnataka. The headquarters are in Bangalore. The company framed complete and well defined memorandum of association and article of association. As we all know, what is MOA? Memorandum of Association. It's a legal document that is being prepared during the formation and registered process of a company to define its relationship with shareholders, and it specifies the objectives for which the company has been performed. Article of Association. It safeguards our business and identifies our work and goal. This permits the corporation to take up any activity aimed at the rapid development of small scale industries. Here it says that it has a fast growing in the small scale industries. Nature of support. Infrastructure and industrial inputs. Infrastructure is nothing but they provide the facilities and service which goods are being produced for the consumers, and these service helps us in promoting the production directly. So economically, infrastructure is like power, transport, sewage water, and etc. What is the role of small scale industries? Small scale industries are important because it helps us in increasing the employment and economic development of India. As we say is employment. Employment is nothing but in small scale industries there are labor incentives. So they provide additional employment to men and women. In agriculture wise, small business constitutes the most popular population of India people in India. They also provide employment agriculturals who remain idle during the part of the year. It improves the growth of the country by increasing urban and rural growth. The industry is a sector in which the production of goods is a segment of economy. Here it says improves economic condition by providing employment opportunities like small scale industries. They more and more income to the people living in rural areas, which improves economic conditions in village.
KSSIDC. It is a government of Karnataka undertaking which took the initiative for providing basic infrastructural facilities for the upliftment of small scale industries in the state of Karnataka. So, KSSIDC, that is Karnataka State Small Industries Development Corporation, is undertaken by Government of Karnataka, which has taken the initiative for providing infrastructural facilities for the promotion of small scale industries in the state of Karnataka. Next, the corporation under Vishwa Shed scheme constructed 800 sheds for the use of tiny units in Karnataka. So the corporation under Vishwa Shed scheme constructed for about 800 sheds all over the state for the use of small scale industries. Next, they have also established 27 raw materials depots throughout the state. So KSSIDC have also established raw material warehouse throughout the state to cater to the needs of small scale industries. Next, the corporation, with the objective of creating markets for SSI products, formulated a sister concern called KSIMC with an investment of 35 lakhs. That is, with the objective of creating markets for small scale industries, this corporation formulated a sister concern called KSIMC, that is Karnataka State Industrial Marketing Corporation, by investing 35 lakhs. Next, KSSIDC participated in a large number of national and international exhibitions. That is, they participated in national and international exhibitions as a part of dissemination of information as well as to create marketing outlets for the products of small scale industries. Next, KSSIDC serves as a nodal agency for coordination with Indian Standard Institution, which had set up a laboratory at Peenya Industrial Estate. That is, they had set up a laboratory at Peenya Industrial Estate because for ensuring the quality of the products manufactured. Next, KSSIDC takes initiative to acquire scarce raw material. That is, it has taken an initiative to get raw materials when it is insufficient to meet a demand. Next, it provides machinery on hire purchase system. So, hire purchase system is a method of purchasing an item where the buyer hires it and takes possession of it and pays regular installments. Ownership is only transferred on payment of the final amount. So, KSSIDC provides machinery on hire purchase system. Next, KSSIDC provides assistance for marketing of products of small scale industries. That is, it also helps and guides for marketing of products of small scale industries.
Conclusion. Commercial bank, it's a profit seeking organization which has the goal to earn profit by providing services like loan, forex exchange to individual business purposes, also to generate good profits to its shareholders and to provide high level of financial customization to its customers. Example: DBS Bank, Axis Bank, State Bank of Travancore. Commercial bank is known as profit seeking banks which are working for the profits, and it generates loan and foreign exchanges are done for business purposes, and it generates good profit returns to the shareholders who invest, and it provides high level of financial customization to its customers, which means a beneficial customers in a current account who have a business holder who can have the liabilities. uh, DBS Bank, Axis Bank, State Bank of Travancore. DBS is an online transaction bank which has no location or any other places where the bank is located. Overall, the DBS Bank run with the online transaction. Axis Bank is a private bank, and State Bank of Travancore is now replaced by the name of State Bank of India. KSSIDC, Karnataka State Small Industry Corporation. The main goal is to support small industries in backward areas. Backward areas, in a sense, rural areas or developing areas, by providing them financial support. Financial support, in a sense, by lending them loan or by helping them in any of the industrial corporation system, which helps them to earn some returns. Basic infrastructure, which means the basic needs of the people are fulfilled by this. And ready sheds are like a prepared and a modelized shed which can be fixed just in 20 to 30 minutes, and it is automatically done and a warehouse for storage in a sense, which is known as godown, where the grains are stored for a longer period of time, and a quick approval of loan, which means the loans are be sanctioned for the backward area people, which is a rural area people. If they seek any loan, it is granted as soon as it's claimed. And example is web presented by Group 4, Saral Pavitra Commercial Bank Introduction, Jarina Commercial Bank in Depth, Priyanka S Definition, Lima Raj Significance, Pallavi VS Significance, Ashwini R S KSS IDC Introduction, Magdalene KSS IDC Depth, Nandita Bai Conclusion. Thank you.